This last Saturday morning, I ran up to Sonoma Raceway for the Miata reunion. And while I was there in the morning, I visited the Pro Shop Wine Country and picked up an Element fire extinguisher. I've been meaning to pick one up for a while. I ended up getting the big one. This is the 100-second version. It's pretty big. It's a big chonker. Spent a little bit of yesterday trying to figure out where I was going to mount it in the car. Got that sorted out. And today, printed up a bracket and I'll get that thrown in. There are a few places I could put it in the car. I could put it on the roll bar, but I don't want it to be that visible. I could mount it down on the seat brackets, but again, just don't really want it there. One option I was looking at was to mount it here by the driver's footwell. It should clear my foot and leg. Fortunately, there's a bodywork stud right there, and I think I can do something with that. I've printed up that bracket and mounted it on the stud. It's an M6 stud. I used TET for that. With the fire extinguisher mounted in that location, which is good because I can get to it pretty easily. I can just reach in, grab it, go. But also my feet are pretty well clear of it. Doesn't affect my ability to use the clutch. Yeah, it's a good location. So I'll go ahead and I'll print up another bracket because there's one more stud over here that I can use to just further support and clip that into place. Like, I'm super happy with that